So in this video we are going to learn how to make Dante's jacket from Devil May Cry 3. As you can tell, I chose the one on the right because of the amount of detail it has, as well as how easy it looks and whatnot. So with that being said, let's get this started. Alright, so what you're going to need is a trench coat. I chose a fabric trench coat over leather trench coat because I went to Goodwill and I couldn't find one. And then, of course, as you can tell, I cut a little, not a stripe, but I cut like the back of it to give it that Dante look and whatnot. And as you can tell, this here is the front of the jacket and whatnot. Here's what I did next. I kind of used a fabric marker to give it some more extra detail to it. What I did was I pretty much just kind of, made lines and whatnot to give it that look as you see in the reference photo at the very beginning of the video. Then the next thing I did was I cut out strips of fabric from a previous project I was working on. And then I ended up hot gluing them on to the front of the jacket like so. That's what it looks like, and there we go. I did the belt buckles, or not belt buckles, but the belt loops for the jacket. And of course, then I ended up making a miniature belt using nothing but fabric, and I kind of looped it through the belt loopholes as well as the loopholes in the back. Now for the belt buckle, I ended up using I ended up using craft foam. It's a little flimsy, but it works either way. It's not as it kind of is breakable, but I ended up spray painting it, and then here we go. Here's the final finished product of the jacket. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. I should have a raid video up pretty soon. With that being said, and here's the back, of course. Sorry if I'm going off topic, but with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later, and peace out. Take care.